Happy New Year and happy 2023. I actually predict that this year is going to be a momentous year. Expect big things to happen, and I want to see big things happening for you. And if I provide any value in this episode or any others, make sure to hit that like button and hit the subscribe so that you don't miss any of these pro tips to make you more successful.
Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride.
All right, so last episode, we talked about resolutions and how so many people make resolutions and utterly fail at them. So we talked about goals and strategies, and I outlined 10 things for you to think about in 2023. But I also said, hey, there's one more thing. Well, it's really sad. A friend of mine just recently died, and I miss him dearly. And it's a reminder that there are more important things in life than just seeking after wealth and success. The old adage of he who dies with the most toys wins is erroneous. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see someone famous. Let's say Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs had almost all the money in the world, but that money wasn't enough to prolong his life. And so what if tonight you died of a heart attack? Would you live your life differently? Would you value things differently? Would you behave differently? What if you actually lived life like today was your last day? I think all of us would. But I want to ask you, what's the most important thing for you? Put it down in the comment. I'd love to hear your answers. And as we think about 2023, one of the most important things in life for me that I want to suggest for you is how we invest in others. You think about it, the opportunity to mentor someone, the opportunity to serve someone, the opportunity to spend time with those you love, your family, your friends, serving others. What is that most important thing worth? I know it's worth far more than the average person really thinks about from day to day. To see your child smiling with joy at the time you're spending with her. To see that friend and feel the excitement and the happiness of getting to invest that time with your friend. Or maybe like recently, I went and saw a friend in the hospital, and to see her smile as she got a visit from someone that she enjoys spending time with. Think about how you can invest in others. Giving, one of the most important gifts, investing and mentoring others. And as we think about starting 2023 out the best way, so many people make New Year's resolutions that they utterly forget or fail at. And if you want help to improve your strategies and maximize your returns in 2023, I want you to take advantage of the New Year's holiday sale on my Wealth Accelerator Masterclass that is ending tomorrow at midnight. It's like watching over my shoulder as I coach high net worth individuals, as well as the team that supports me, to maximize your wealth and make the most of these tumultuous times. I want you to be an action taker and gain the most of your investments in 2023, because it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.